Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, today we will discuss K176 silicon N-channel MOSFET, how we can test it. It is basically 2SK176. It is from Hitachi. Its VDS voltage drain to source 200 volt. Maximum allowed voltage from source to drain, it is 200 volt, and IDS, drain to source current, that is 8 ampere. This MOSFET have a protection diode here and a avalanche TVS diode, transient voltage suppression diode, from gate to source. So it have some special feature. VGSS, gate to source voltage, that are maximum plus minus 20 volt. Power dissipation 125 watt. Its setup time 250 and 90 nanosecond. T on, when we apply signal at gate, applying the signal and arriving the output, that time difference is 250 nanosecond. And when we remove input from gate, within 90 nanosecond the output from drain will disappear. So it is its setup time. T on vs T off. It is propagation delay. We apply input and how much time it will take that the output will reach at the output end. And when we remove signal, how much time it will take to disconnect the load. If we see pin out, the casing, that is source. We have two pins here, drain and gate. Gate to source, there is a avalanche suppression diode, and here we have a diode. So how we can test it with multimeter? Basically it is a question from one of my viewer. He asked me K176 transistor, how to check with multimeter. Explain. It is a comment on my video how to test NPN power BJT transistor. How we can test it? Set multimeter to measure diode. Connect black lead to drain. Where is drain? Drain is here. And red lead to the source. So in that case this diode will forward bias, and we will find the forward bias voltage for this diode. If we reverse the leads, red lead at drain, that is here, and black lead at source, this diode will reverse bias. If it does not display forward or reverse, in this condition, if we cannot find the forward bias voltage, that means this diode is open. And if we find a continuity in this reverse bias condition, that means this diode is short circuit, or might be the source to drain channel is short circuited. So in both conditions we are testing the diode, we are not testing the MOSFET. MOSFET just for short circuit, because this channel source to drain, it is most of the time it is short circuit. So if it is open, it will not work properly. If it is short circuit, that will not switch properly. Now we are checking this source to gate TVS diode. It should not give any continuity from source to gate. If it is giving some continuity, that means either this diode is short or gate to source junction has been destroyed. Where is gate? Gate is this pin. Source is the body. We have to reverse the leads. In this condition it should open. Gate to source, in both conditions it should open. If it gives continuity or some forward voltage, that means either junction or this TVS diode is destroyed. This is test condition. If we apply 50 microsecond signal pulse width with duty ratio 0.5% at this gate, and here we will take output 2 ohm resistor with 30 volt power supply. In this configuration 50 ohm resistor here with gate to source. In this condition the startup time T on, here we applied signal, we have to connect this end to the one channel of the oscilloscope, and this to the second channel. So what will the time difference between input and output? Time from this point, the starting edge and the starting edge of the output signal, we have to calculate this time. It should be less than 250 nanoseconds. Then we have to disconnect the signal. When signal is disconnected at 90% of the drop, trailing edge, and this rising edge 10%. So time difference between 90% of the trailing edge and 10% of the rising edge, so it should be less than 90 nanoseconds. Same as here, from zero line to starting edge, rising edge, from 10% to 90% of the trailing edge, this time must be less than 250 nanoseconds. So friends, I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.